Hey guys, I am back with CityCraft Block City Wars. I don't understand, is that Franklin? I don't know. But y'all told me to get this game, and I did. I'm gonna go on free play right now. We're free play. Let's go. Start me off for Franklin. Franklin, where you at? And then go da da da. I wonder how you change your character, guys. I wonder. This sounds sad too. Ooh, get that order there. Stick it there. I'm gonna play it. Stickies. Dang, I got hurt for that. What do you want me to do? Shoot. Get him. Kill him. Oh, I shot him. What the heck? If I was going down, we both dying. Yo, Franklin! I want to see you in a wow. See, I'm about to go roll that copper. Die, Franklin, die! The fucking guy I'm dipping. Guys, this is my first time playing this game. I'm already messing up. Drop it down there. Fall. Oh, wow, that hurts. You wanna fight? Let's go. I'm out. Oh, you are army member? My boy, I'm dipping. You're about to get me. Dang, my boy. Dang, I didn't know you hate me like that. Don't start, Franklin. Bye. Get in the car. Run him over. I don't care. What the heck? Oh! I ran him over. Run him over. Dude. Hey, let's see this car. I gotta get out of it. I don't care. Where my stickies at? Alright, just throw this. Y'all about to blow with me. Got me. I need a jet. No, there's no car. Ooh, that's a good car. Get it. Ooh, dang! I didn't know kiss 1, 2. Dang, this busted. Ooh, I need to go a shot. I don't need a vest right now. I need a vest. I can buy anything right now. I need this. And I need, well, I can buy this. Finish the stickies, guys. Shit, pistols cost. Alright, these cost a lot.
Stop! You're better than this. I know I wasn't wrong about you. You don't understand.
Alright, so guys, I got my armor on. Go take that out. Take that down. Take that down. Take that down. Take that down. Alright, go over there. Go over there. Go over there. Don't let anyone see your stuff. Look at this again. I have some new weapons. And I got, look at what I got on me right now. I got my vest on. Got my stickies on me.
Why are you doing this? You know Ox evil. You've seen what he's done.
I ran from, I'm going somewhere where I'm about to just drop a bunch of stickies from somewhere. Oh dang, that hurt. Alright, so, alright, there's a dog right there. I'm gonna have to drop some stickies.
Like your Uncle Ben, he made me who I am. I owe him everything. But I hope this is everything you wanted.
Dang! I got them. Yo, what's up? What's up? Come on, once you walk right past it. Once you walk past it. Come on, walk near it. Walk near it. Pop! Wait, you chasing me? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Come here. Come here. See, that killed you. Oh, wait, Franklin? Franklin, you want to start shooting me? Come here. Dang! I can't drive. It's probably because I don't know how to. Get the heck out of that car. Go in there with your AK. Go in there with your AK. In fact, throw a bomb over there, Franklin. Throw a bomb. You're about to explode. Dang. Oh God, he's going out. I need to get mine out. Get yours out. Get yours out. I can't just burn out this everything. Alright, we're here. If you want to fight, I got you. I got you. I got you. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing. They doing something. Dang. I got him. Yes. Oh, come here. Come here, Shorty. Come here. I mean, I know how to job, but I don't know how to get y'all. Oh, what's up, Cobb? I know you just got paid today. Give me my sticky. You don't really suck my back. I'm going to put the sticky somewhere over here. I'll put a sticky over here. Blow him up. I blew him up with. What the heck? You know, I'm taking this place down too. I'm about to go up and just straight up stab him. Look at this shit. I'm stabbing her. Look at this. I had to go for the shooting joints. Was I even hit him? I got him present. The front desk. Get out of here. I broke out. Guess what? You bum. I shot him. Ooh, I ran away from there. I ran away from there. No! Oh. Get back up, get back up, get back up. I don't got no more juice, I don't got no more juice. Right, come on. I need a bazooka, yeah, I need. This is what your boy needs. A minigun. Come on. Come on, you ready to mess with me? Huh? I got all this money right here. Huh? Dummy! What you think you Franklin? Oh no, heck no. Yo, why Trevor always gotta get in trouble? He the one that gets in trouble. How y'all all get guns? In fact, I don't care. I'm just gonna shoot them. I get money for this. Ooh, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Ooh, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Ooh, you got you just even have his armor. Get your armor on, my boy. I damn better armor. I don't got 100 extra. I got 100 extra. Wow. Now I'm gonna need to go to the store. So guys, this is really long. I'm about to end the gameplay right here too, so.
Take your family to work day in Jollywood.
Kelly Osbourne's real-life mom and dad are playing her